Hello students, our fourth module is numerical methods. Numerical methods are used to solve the ordinary differential equations when initial conditions are given. So here various analytical methods of solving differential equations applicable only to equations in some specific forms. Means to solve the ordinary differential equations, first we have to find the complementary function and particular integral, and if they given any initial conditions we have to find the arbitrary constants. So in some cases it may be very difficult to solve by the analytical methods, and sometimes analytical solution may not even exist. So in that case we apply the numerical methods to solve the ordinary differential equation. So in such cases numerical methods assumes important and computer help in many numerical methods for obtaining the results to the highest degree of accuracy. So this is the main use of the numerical methods. By using the analytical methods we won't get the answer more accurate. So by using the numerical methods we get the answer with the highest degree of accuracy. In this module we discuss the five different mathematicians or derived the formulas to solve the ordinary differential equation. So the first one is Taylor series method and modified Euler's method, and Runge-Kutta method of fourth order, Milne's method and Adams-Bashforth method. So all these mathematicians derived different formulas to solve the ordinary differential equation when initial conditions are given. So if you apply any of these formulas, five methods are there here we discuss, we get the same answer for the differential equation what they given in the problem. But in examination, suppose if they mention Taylor series method, you have to follow the Taylor series method. Like that you have to solve the problem. Now first we discuss the Taylor series method. So in this module we discuss the differential equation for first order and first degree. So numerical methods for the first order and the first degree differential equation. So the differential equation of the form dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y. So this is the first order and first degree differential equation, and the initial conditions are given. Y of x naught is y naught, means y is equals to y naught and x is equals to x naught. So this problem of finding y is called the initial value problem. So the first method here we are discussing is Taylor series method. Now first consider the initial value problem like this. This is the equation of the differential equation and this is the initial condition they give in the problem itself. Then the Taylor series expansion of f of x about the point x naught in the form. So this is the series you have to remember. So this is the series Taylor series. Y of x is equals to y of x naught x minus x naught into y dash of x naught, x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught, and x minus x naught whole cube by 3 factorial into y triple dash of x naught. Here I have written up to third degree. So you have to continue like this depending on the problem up to what degree they ask. They ask up to second degree, you write the series up to here only. If they ask the third degree, you have to write one more term. Fourth degree means you have to add one more term like x minus x naught whole power 4 by 4 factorial into y 4 times differentiation. Here we have to do the differentiation. Y dash of x naught, y double dash of x naught is nothing but denotes the values of the derivatives. Here if you know how to do the differentiation of the given function, so then the problem becomes easy. Just we have to substitute here. So this is the Taylor series method. So remember the series first and then do the differentiation. So now here we are taking the first problem. So solve, this is the differential equation they given. Solve dy by dx is equals to x cube plus y, and this is the equation and this is the initial condition. Y of 1 is equals to 1. See, they clearly mention in the problem which method you have to follow. Here they mention Taylor series method, means you have to follow the Taylor series method only. And see the problem, up to which degree they asked in the problem, up to that degree we have to write the series. Okay, here they asked up to 4th degree. So how to solve the problem is, so first write the given equation dy by dx. This is the given equation, given function x cube plus y is equals to, we denote dy by dx as y dash. And what is the given initial condition? Y of 1 is equals to 1. Means if you compare with y of x naught is y naught, x naught is 1. So how you remember this means, always inside bracket term is your x naught, and the term which is right hand side equals to opposite is there, right? That is your y naught. So always inside the bracket term is your x naught, and equal to is term is y naught. Always inside the bracket term is your x naught. Now next step is, see, this is the theory just I have written, no need to write in the examination. Now write this Taylor series up to 4th degree, because they asked up to 4th degree. So depending on the problem you have to take the series. If they ask 3rd degree, you write the only. Suppose they asked up to 3rd degree, write the series up to 3rd degree. Here I have written the series up to 4th degree. So this is a series I have written up to 4th degree. Now we have to find the values of y dash of x naught, y double dash of x naught, y triple dash of x naught, y 4 times of x naught. Means you have to do the differentiation of this term 4 times. Okay, already this is 1 time differentiated value. Okay, now 2, 2nd, 3rd, 4th we have to do. Now, so after writing the series first, then what is our x naught in the problem? You have to substitute. What is our x naught here? See, I am telling one more time, always the inside the bracket term is your x naught. So x naught is 1, substitute here, rewrite the same series one more time. You have to substitute in the place of x naught, not in the place of x. X naught place you have to substitute. It becomes, the series become like this. After substituting x naught place 1, the x naught value they give in the problem itself. X naught value inside the bracket term is your x naught. Now we have to find what is y dash of 1, y double dash of 1, y 3 times of 1, y 4 times of 1. So we get all these value by doing the differentiation. So here, so this is the initial condition what they given, y of 1 is 1. So the first value is given here, y of 1 we have to substitute here. This value is already given in the problem, y of 1 is 1. Now what is the y dash they given? Y dash of x. Y dash of x means in the problem whatever the given function is your y dash of x, just we denote that as y dash, we denote that as y dash of x. What is y dash of x they given? X cube plus y. This is given in the problem itself. Now you have to find y dash of 1. While substituting, we consider this as x, inside the bracket term as x, and this value as y. X is 1 and y is 1. So don't confuse here. While substituting in the series, we consider this as x naught while substituting in the series. Now while doing the differentiation and after substitution, we consider the initial condition as x as 1 and y as 1. Now substitute here, x place y dash of x they given, no need to do the differentiation, one time differentiation they given here. And what is y dash of 1 becomes 1 cube plus 1 is 2. Similarly, do the differentiation, y double dash, differentiation of x cube is 3x square, y differentiation is y naught. Now again y double dash of 1 we have to find, means substitute x place 1 and y dash, just now we finded y dash of 1, right? So substitute that value, it becomes 2, that is 3 plus 2, 5. Again third time differentiation, y triple dash of x, that is 3x square differentiation 6x plus y dash becomes y double dash. So simultaneously we have to find the value. After differentiation, find y triple dash of 1, that is 6 into x place you have to substitute 1 and so y double dash of 1, just now we find it, so you have to substitute that value, so that is 11, 6 plus 5 11. Again fourth differentiation, that is 6x differentiation 6, y double dash becomes y triple dash, and again y4 of 1, x place you have to substitute here 1, and then it becomes 6 plus y triple, there is no substitution of x, you just write the constant as it is, and y triple dash of 1 is 11, so 6 plus 11 17. So this is a method to substitute. So substitute x place 1 and y, x place 1 and as well as y place 1. So after substituting, you have to substitute in the series. Series we've written here, right? So this is a series we've written. Here you have to substitute. What is y dash of 1? What is y double dash of 1? Like that. So what is y dash of 1? They given in the problem itself. Y double dash is, we just now find it 2. Y triple dash, sorry, y dash is 2. Y double dash 5. Y triple dash 11. And y 4 times of 7. 1 is 17. So this is the method to solve the Taylor series method. So first to write the series first, and then given initial condition. So depending on the initial condition, this is inside the bracket term is x naught and this is your y naught. Substitute here and just find the y dash, y double dash, y dash no need to find. You have to find only y double dash. So do the differentiation correctly and substitute the values as the x as 1 and y as 1. Just substitute in the series. So that is your answer.